comfy?
You like you, Bear?
Son, you look too funny in there, buddy.
Are you liking you, Bear? Hey, you want to give him your hugs?
Give the bear some hugs.
Aww.
You can give him a kiss?
Give him kisses?
Give him a kiss. You gotta take the Bapu out.
Aww, you're so
You're
sweet.
so
Yeah. Are you going to give Mama kisses too? Mama needs to get us something to wipe your
He's a
nose.
big bear.
Aww. Oh.
Getting small.
Can you sit down on the foot? Sit down right here.
Oh, Bapu down.
Here, I got it. I'm gonna go put it.
Alright, that part can be edited. You gonna tackle him? Rawr.
So fun.
Ah! Oh, he's falling down. I'm talking to you. You gonna drive your cars on his head? Alright, let's see if we can open some more presents, okay? Mr. Bear's kind of